Hi! Welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, I will be teaching you on how to turn on and off allow apps to request to track in Facebook on iPhone X. But first, kindly subscribe to this channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And let's start. Using your iPhone X, from your home screen first, go to Settings. Then in the settings, scroll down and click the Screen Time. Then after that, in the screen time, scroll down again and click the content and privacy restrictions. Then in the content and privacy restrictions, scroll down and go to privacy sections, then click the allow apps to request to track. Then after that, in this part, find the Facebook, and as you will see, there's a switch button on the right side of it, and if you want to disable, just click the switch button. And if you want to enable or turn on, just click again the switch button. And that's it. We have successfully turned on and off allow apps to request to track in Facebook on iPhone X. If you have a question, kindly comment down below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And thank you for watching!